I'm Paul Kirkby. I got involved in the project 7.5 years ago. My relationship with it has been to work with the architects, structural engineers, the construction teams in getting the project to where it is today. My hope is that ultimately it gives something to Caistor that the people of Caistor are really proud of. The Georgian architecture, it just gives you something that modern buildings can't give.
I'm John Rice, I'm Mayor of Caistor. Going around the building today, the work that's been done and achieved here thus far is fantastic. I believe it'll be a jewel in the crown for Caistor once it's finished. It's going to breathe new life into Caistor, for sure. I mean, the community spirit in Caistor is fantastic, it's second to none. I think it'll be a hub, really, for us all.
I'm Lewis King. I've lived in Caistor, well, we'll say 93 years, except for army service of 2 years. I can remember it when it was just run by the family. I like to see features that have been used initially. They're making a good job of it. From what I've seen, what I've heard, I think doing a marvellous job, and it'd be an asset to Caistor is what we need. I like to see character in a building, both inside and out.
Came to Caistor in the 1970s. Oh, I think it's going to really change the look of the marketplace in a very positive way. It's going to really enliven the town. It's taken on the look of a Georgian building again.
If you look around the whole marketplace, it's all pretty oldie, towny, and that's what people love to come visit around here, so it's nice to keep it in touch with that. Yeah, it's nice to see people brought in, really. A bit of money brought into the community.
It'll transform the town, absolutely transform. The 25% of the marketplace that has been out of commission since 2010, and it's going to make a monumental difference to the town. Unbelievable. It was sitting there idle for 14 years. Now it's on the way back. They're certainly going to attract more people into the town. I believe there's quite a number of businesses in the pipeline at the moment, and when they come on board, I think it's going to transform the town.
You know, we talk about the architecture, but you didn't see it before, but you see it now, and I just think it looks fabulous and fantastic.
I think in today's world, and that kind of retaining heritage buildings is so important in small market towns like this. So having the ability to bring local independence into something which is retaining all of its original character is nice to see.
Yeah.
I mean, it does look smart, doesn't it?
Very good.
It looks really good, yeah. There's a lot of work gone into it. I'd just be happy to see people in it.
Caistor is a gem at the heart of rural Lincolnshire. Towns like this should be kept in pristine condition. Your history is here, big agricultural area around here, you know. So it's, I think it's so important.